This was one of those projects that I thought would be simple and thus a quick build, but it just led to problem after problem after problem. Still, I overcame those issues and ended up with a pretty cool product. It starts with this old ornate frame that I, funnily enough, got for free from my barber, of all places. It didn't work for his place, so he just gave it to me. It's been collecting dust for some time, so I gave it the once over with a brush and some soapy water. I dried the water immediately with my air compressor as I didn't want it swelling the wood. Inspired by those old digital photo frames I had growing up, I found a larger version on Amazon that fits this frame almost exactly. The original idea was to take the backing off of the display so I could condense the components as much as possible, as I didn't need the frame it came with since I'm upgrading that. However, this is where I ran into the first problem. This display was more intricate than I wanted. Turns out, it can play video as well and has some speakers wired inside. Rather than mess with the internals, I decided to just build up the back of the frame for this display to sit in place. It's about 3/4 of an inch I needed to offset. Then, since some of the display is visible from the front, I wanted to obscure that as much as possible, so I hit it with some gold spray paint. After securing the display so it doesn't slide out, I ran into problem number 2. I never plugged this display in to check that it had shipped undamaged. I heard a rattle and discovered a screw was loose when I was originally opening it up, so that should have given me pause. Thankfully, I was able to strip the paint and ordered a replacement. As for mounting this, since it's rather bulky and even heavier now, I'm making a quick French cleat with more scrap wood. I was really excited about the placement of this display because there's an outlet right on top of my fireplace mantle that I haven't found a use for until now. And that's where problem number 3 came. This outlet is dead. So, this outlet that I thought was so conveniently located isn't working. There's only one set of neutral and hot going to it. And what's odd is that, and my breaker's actually right under here, but it's a finished basement, so I can't see the full paths. Along this wall, this works, doesn't work, works, doesn't work. So my guess is these aren't actually daisy chained in series. I'm assuming it's wired to here, split off, connected to that one's split off. This one goes further into the kitchen because all of this is one breaker, one switch. And it's also not connected to the outlets on this wall because they're powered by that switch. So it's going to take me a lot longer to troubleshoot what that is, but I want to finish this project. So for now, I'm going to run a black extension cord from there, kind of tuck it along the trim just to plug this in, and we can see if it's working or if I cracked this one too. Okay. So I had to pad the spacing up. Wasn't the cleanest solution I had in mind, but this is built up to where it'll sit far enough along the wall. One upgrade I'm thinking of doing later too is, since I have this backing now, it's a little over 3/4 of an inch. Could run some LEDs back here and basically give it a backlight. Help with that depth effect. Could look pretty cool on the black wall. I'm also thinking of doing LEDs along this as well, so I might just do that all together in one go. Maybe that's a different video. All right, let's get this up. There you have it, a modern digital display dressed in an ornate gold frame to give you the best of both worlds. I just need to figure out what's going on with my wiring and I'll be able to really hide the cord. Seeing it on the wall, because it's black and the frame is so thick, you don't really notice how far off it is. The backlight could be a cool touch, but isn't actually necessary. If you like that wooden fireplace mantle, it's actually removable, and I'll link to the video of how I made it below. Let me know in the comments if you've hidden or disguised modern tech or equipment in any clever ways. And thanks for watching.